Multiplication can be expressed in so many ways. Suppose you have 3 times 5. We can write it or read it as 3 times 5. It can also be read as 3 product 5. It can also be read as 3 multiplied 5. It simply means the product of 3 and 5 or 3 5 times. 3 times 5 is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 is 5 times. 3 times 5 is 3 is 5 times. So if I calculate 3 5 times, 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12 plus 3 15. Its value is 15. So 3 times 5 is also 15. Now what is the meaning of, or what is the product of 5 times 3? You know this is also 15. So 3 times 5 is equal to 5 times 3. So the multiplication of two numbers, even if you change the places, it doesn't change, the value doesn't change. So this property of multiplication is the commutative property of multiplication. So the property of commutativity holds true for multiplication. 3 times 5, either you multiply 3 5 times or you multiply 5 3 times, or if you say that 5 is 3 times, so 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times also is 15. This is the meaning of multiplication. Now we'll see how to multiply two-digit numbers. To see the multiplication of two-digit number, suppose we have say 23 times say 42. I need to multiply these two values. Now it means that multiplication of 2 with 23 and multiplication of 4, that is not at the units place now, not exactly 4, that is 40 times 23. Now this is 2 times 23 plus 40 times 23. Now 2 times 23, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 2 4. Now because I'm multiplying 40 times 23, so first of all this is 4 times 10 times 23. So 4 times 23 times 10. Any number multiplied by 10, you put 0 at the end. So we are not calculating this 10 here, we are just using that 10 and we are assuming that 10 is already there, and we are just putting the 0 over here, and the remaining term is just multiplication of 4 with 23. 4 times 23, 4 times 3 is 12, so 2 balance 1, 4 times 2 8 and 1 9, so 92. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 9. 966 is the product of 23 times 42. So the concept is that whenever you are multiplying a two-digit number, that this is a units place. You are just multiplying 2 and 23, but instead of 4, that is not 4, that is 40. And 4 times 10, and any number multiplied by 10 is just you add 0 at front of that number. That is the reason we are assuming this value as 0. If I see this product here, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, this is what you have got here, and 40 times 23. 40 times 23 is 4 times 10 times 23, as I have explained here just now. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 balance 1, 4 times 2 8 and 1 9, 92. 9 times 10 gives you 920, and this is that 920. So whenever we multiply two-digit numbers with a two-digit number, you multiply the first number with the given number, you multiply the second number with the given number, but whenever you start multiplying second number, you just add 1 0 here and then you start multiplying them.